Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget that my name is Obi Gosin, and in this video today I want to teach you how to apply for your YouTube monetization. If today is your first time coming across my YouTube, please press the subscribe button and put on the notification so that whenever we drop a new video, you got notified. If you're a good trader, look up on my YouTube channel icon here. As you can see here, you can see a Bitcoin key. They click on it and trade with Bitcoin. You can as well visit our website or visit our Facebook. Okay, so in this video we have to teach on how to apply your YouTube AdSense and start on earning money on YouTube for your super chats and other on and so forth. So don't be in a haste to watch this video. Pay attention, don't skip it, and don't be in a hurry, okay? Because this video is gonna help you a lot. Don't forget, subscribe. Once you come into YouTube, open your YouTube. Then by your anchor here, you will see yourself, like your logo, right? You click it and you go to your studio. Okay, you go to your studio, you click on the studio. So that is the process that we are going right now. So click your studio and hold on for a minute. How can you know when you are eligible to apply for how can you know how you are eligible to apply for a YouTube AdSense? If, for example, for the first time you are watching this, YouTube is gonna send you a message that will show you apply for monetization. Okay, so it is very simple. You click on it and you read all the program. As you can see, your channel Obi Gosin has praised the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hour in the last 12 months. Require of the YouTube partner program. Your channel is not monetized yet. To go to the monetization of your YouTube studio to check the next steps. If you have already accepted item and set up AdSense, then no further action is needed. Okay, so but before this, YouTube is already required if I have any copyright on this video. But fortunately, I have no copyright on the video. The YouTube, all my video is made for me. I'm the copyright. I have all the videos by myself. So let's go and start on doing that. Okay, don't forget to subscribe and support me. I love you all. I always appreciate you all for doing all this to me, and I really love you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Keep on sharing, keep on subscribing, keep on commenting, keep on liking, and keep on supporting me. May God bless you all abundantly. So let's go straight to monetization. So once you open your YouTube studio, scroll down, you have to see monetization. Okay, once you click, just click. First of all, check on your copyright and verify if you have any copyright. As you can see, nothing to see yet. So that's to show you that this channel is standard. Okay, so let's go to monetization. You click on your monetization. You wait. So right here you can see that you have already watched your public hour. I have 4,336 public watch hour. Okay, 4,000 required. So I have 1,820 subscribers. So right now click on apply now to apply for YouTube AdSense, Google AdSense. Let's go. Okay, this is 3 steps that you need to take from that you need to apply for YouTube AdSense, okay, for Google AdSense AdSense. So for you to fill all this form, it is very, very simple. This is what we're gonna do. Don't rush this video so that you will not make a mistake. Stay tuned. Let's go. So here you can see review partner program themes. Okay, it says read all these things. These are the read and agree to the YouTube partner program and other things, and the agreements, okay, that make it possible for you to retain money, to earn money. Okay, so get here, you can see start. Okay, so click on the start. First step one. As you can see it there, so just click on it. This is it here. Click on it. Okay, click on it. Here you can see it. Okay, you can see it. So click on it, and then once you click here, it's okay. Okay, so let's go. Click it here and start. So you go down, you scroll down, you can see I accept the YouTube partner program themes. Email me updates, announcements, and personalized tips to help grow my channel. So you have to accept these 2 things. You have to accept these 2 things. Okay, so click here to accept and click here to accept. Then here you can see accept the theme. So accept the theme. You wait for some minutes, it's gonna open. So as you can see here, it's done. Okay, it's done, and you can see it right now. It's done. Okay, so that is to show you that is done right now. Okay, so let's go. So step 2, as you can see, step 2, sign up for Google AdSense. Okay, sign up for Google AdSense. As I hope you can see it very, very clear. I hope you can see it very, very clear. Okay, this is sign up for Google AdSense. Okay, so here is start. Okay, and here is Google AdSense. Okay, here is Google AdSense. So let's go right now. Click start to set up your Google AdSense. If you don't have Google AdSense, here you can as well create your Google AdSense. So click here. Here you have a question to answer. Okay, you will be returned to Google AdSense to complete these steps. Okay, so we have a question. Do you have an existing AdSense Google? So if you don't have, click here. If you don't have, click I don't have. If you don't have, if you have before, you can click yes, an existing AdSense, Google AdSense access, or whatever it is, or no, I don't have an existing account. But be it in mind that whatever you click here, Google will verify it automatically. YouTube will verify it automatically. So for me, I know I have I can click no, I don't have, I don't know. Okay, I don't have, I don't know. So the 2 are required. So for example, I click I don't know. When I click I don't know, when I continue, then it is, as you can see right here, it says Google AdSense allows for 1 account per person. If you don't remember, try searching your inbox for an email for Google AdSense apply. Okay, so all these things are the way you can get your Google Access. So, but if you have, you click yes, I have an existing Google Access account. Okay, so you click yes. But if you don't have, you click I don't have. I don't have. Okay, and you click yes, continue. So click here, continue. Yes, I have an existing account. Click here. Then you wait for YouTube to apply for it. So here you can choose the email that you have the Google Access with. Okay, so I have Google Access with this. So as you can see, you already have an AdSense account associated with CPMC Bologna. Okay, so this is to show you that I have already have an account that's associated with this. So you have to fix. So I have to confirm that this is my website. Okay, this is my website. So I have to confirm. Yes, I confirm I have fixed the policy evolution on www.ovigil. Okay, or I would like to use a different site for an ADS. So it depends on you on what you want to do with it. We have found a policy solution on TikTok button that are preventing your site from being approved law. Okay, so this is the problem that I have with it right now, that I cannot apply with it. So I have to resolve the problem. Okay, I have to resolve the problem.